Hi, this is Sue. Hi, folks at the cave. I just wanted to give you an update. We're on week 3 now, beginning. Just finished week 2 Friday on recovery from my stem cell. And just to let you know, I went to the doctor, and he said that because I'm little, that I may take longer. And he says that I will get better. Had about a couple sessions of physical therapy, mostly focusing on scapula stabilization exercises, isometrics, kind of a place and hold kind of thing, rows, a little bit of external rotation, and some pulleys. And today I have more of a rest day. Still having difficulty sleeping at night. Kind of cut back on the pain pills. Got 10s right now on, but it pretty much aches on and off throughout the day. But I've gained in range of motion. I may have overdid it a little yesterday. It was one good night. Sunday night was. Saturday night was really good. I slept without pain medication, 2 to 3 hours at a pop. Last night it was pretty much up every hour. So I started doing Epsom salt baths. That seems to help also. My range of motion now is out there. So I'm a little bit, I can get, after the pulleys, I can get above 90. And I haven't worked out today, and I said last night was kind of a bad night. So just kind of let you know, update. Still hoping that I could get back to work in 2 weeks from now, but we'll see. The doctor gave me up to 6 weeks. So, all right.